Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to indicate distance by using LEDs. So let's create new project. To create this circuit, we need Arduino Uno board and LEDs and resistors and ultrasonic sensor. So let's select the components. And also we need potentiometer to simulate ultrasonic sensor. So now let's create the circuit. First place the Arduino board and then place the ultrasonic sensor. Set up the potentiometer. And place the LEDs. I'm going to indicate the distance by using 8 LEDs. So I have placed the LEDs and then I need resistors. So place the resistor. These resistors are used to protect the LEDs. Then connect the circuits. Then connect the virtual terminal to identify the distance. For that, we have to connect the transmitter pin from the Arduino and connect to the receiver pin of the virtual terminal. Now circuit is completed. Before go to the Arduino code, we have to include the hex file to ultrasonic sensor. So let's include the here. If you don't have this file, uh, I have given the video link in the description. So let's click that and download the ultrasonic sensor and its hex file. then click OK. Now go to the Arduino code. This is the Arduino code for this LED indication circuit. Here I have defined the trigger pin as 9 and echo pin as 10. And then I have defined the LED pins from 2 to 11, 8 LEDs, and long duration, and define the distance as in. And then this is the void setup. Here I have defined the pin mode trigger pin as output and echo pin as input, and also all the LED pin as output. And then this is the while loop. Here this code for measure the distance by using ultrasonic sensor. And then here I have mapped the distance 100 to 8 LEDs, and if distance is 800, then one LED should be turn on. And then here LED count, it's from 1 to 8. This is the for loop code for turn on the LEDs based on the distance. Let's verify the code. For your easiness, you have to save this Arduino code in the same folder where you have saved the Proteus file. So let's save. Now let's export the hex file. For that, go to Sketch and click Export Compiled Binary. So hex file is successfully created. So go to Proteus. Here, double click this one and select the path of the hex file. Here you can directly see the Arduino code. So click here and go to build and find the hex file and double click this one. Then click OK. Now the entire circuit and coding works are completed. So let's simulate this circuit. Here you can see the distance is 500 centimeters. So 4 LEDs are turned on. Let's change the distance. Now distance is reduced and then all the LEDs turn on. And when we increase the distance, LEDs order by order turn off. And more than 800, only one LED should turn on. Likewise, you can simulate these circuits. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.